Today we're gonna be going to Fei Kei Ping. Leopard Rock and the Emperor Rock. Good morning, everyone. We are currently driving to Tung Shan's Lung Kwu Tan. It's now 10 a.m. and we're almost there. We have arrived at the parking space. So from here, I'll show you how to get to Fei Kei Ping. This is our main hill of today. We are now over here and we're gonna walk over to Fei Kei Ping now. It's 10:26. From this car park, we are going to go into this trail and go up these stairs. We are going to turn right here and go up these stairs. There's a crossing on the left and we're gonna turn right and crawl under the railway and then go up these stairs and go into this hilly road. There's a green ribbon on the right. We are going to follow it. Another green ribbon here on the right, and we're gonna keep following it. Go into this foresty trail, and there's a pink ribbon there. Keep following along these ribbons. There's a rope on the right-hand side if needed. And there's some orange ribbons on the left-hand side. Keep following it. Another one over here. And we are on 115 meters. We can see the blue skies out now. Keep following the yellow ribbon and the orange ribbon. There's a danger sign on the left and we are going to turn to our left-hand side. There are many danger ribbons along the way, but we don't think this hill is dangerous at all. You treat me like I am your own daughter, even though it's the only first thing and keep following this green ribbon. There's a really long orange ribbon over here. Eventually, you'll get to the helicopter pad and you'll arrive at the track. And we have arrived at Fei Kei Ping. It is 11:24 and it took us 1 hour. This Fei Kei Ping hill is actually the most western point of the new territories. It is situated at Lung Kwu Tan in Tung Shan. And Fei Kei Ping is also called the 浪角嘴 and nearby, it had several villages, and it used to have a youth hostel and a BBC Asia broadcasting station. But as time passed by, all the villagers has been relocated, and the nearest residential areas are Ha Pat Nai and Lung Kwu Tan at the other end of the landfill, while the surrounding areas have become power plants, coal ash lakes, columbariums, and landfills. To reach this area, the only public transportation are taxis and special holiday buses. But in September 2021, the MTR company provided a daily bus route to this place, which makes it more convenient for travelers to come to this hill. So I hope you'll be inspired to come to this hill after watching my drone clip. Let me know in the comments if you did. I can't believe it turned out to be so hot today, because I thought it was gonna be cloudy and cold. So I wore black t-shirt. I think this was a mistake, but I think we're gonna be okay. And there's actually a road on the left that goes back down to a village, but because we are both scared of dogs, so we don't want to risk the chance of bumping into a dog. So right now we will go back the way that we came from, so I will not film the road again because it's just the same, and I'll refilm when I get to the car park. What would I do if I never came to this group? I would have never been able to meet an angel like you. This is the Wo Tong Tao Hill me and my boyfriend and our hiking mates hiked last time, and we're nearly down back at the car road. It is now 12:33 and it took us 1 hour to get down here. So now we will decide whether we will have lunch in our car or have lunch at the rock. We decided to have lunch in the car because it is a 15-minute walk to our first photo taking spot, which is called the Leopard Rock. And it is now 12:40. And we have finished all the sushi, and I'm gonna put it here because just now we saw a dog here looking for food, so we don't want that dog to see any food containers. But we saw that dog literally go to that area, so we don't think he's gonna come back. So we're gonna go continue our hike. It is now 1:10, and we are gonna start the second part of the trail. And we'll start from this car park and walk by this long road. Oh my gosh, we are the scariest cats alive because we saw that dog that I told you about just now. I'll film them if I can see them. And at first, we thought it was just him, so we kept walking. But then we heard another dog barking at us, so we got really scared. So this is the dog that we were not scared of. But there was actually another black dog. I don't know if this is a stereotype or if this is true. Basically, we saw another black dog at the top of the slope, and usually I think black dogs are more attractive, so we were both really scared and we had to walk backwards because that black dog was barking at us, so we were quite scared. So now we will drive our car to Lung Kwu Tan. Let's see if we can park a car there. Okay, we've driven to this car park where we have to pay, but at least now we know we won't get scared by dogs. 個就係個劉氏嘅宗祠。劉氏宗祠可以指永嘉郡祠，又稱劉氏宗祠。And this is where you pay the car park fee. We're gonna go along this fence, cross the road, and keep walking inside this village. Pass by the Leopard Rock sign and keep walking along this village. And walk along this Lung Kwu Trail.
Want to travel the world with someone.
We saw a passerby inside the hilly road, and we asked him if there are any dogs in this trail, and he said no. And there's a 46 ribbon sign there as well. That means other hiking groups has been here as well.
You came along with me, so why won't you come along? Yeah, come along.
This is the Leopard Rock, but to be honest, I was a bit disappointed because it doesn't look like a leopard at all. Actually, it's here. Ooh, I'm glad that wasn't the actual one. This is the actual leopard one. I'm gonna fly my drone here.
Don't get me wrong, sometimes I like being on my own too, but I'd like it if you came along, yeah, came along with me, so we can take pictures of the stunning view, and I won't wait at the wrong bus stop twice. Oh, why won't you come along? Yeah, come along with me. Why is money the barrier? Why does everything have to cost? Why is money the barrier? Why does everything have to cost? I wish money wasn't the barrier, 'cause I really wanted you to come along, yeah, come along this trip with me.
Goodbye, Leopard Rock. It was nice to see you. And now we're gonna go back down the way that we came from and go to the Leopard Rock on the other side. There's a blue ribbon on the left, and there's a pink ribbon on the right, and we're gonna go to the start of the trail. Walk by these green railways.
'Cause you help me out so much. It's only been a year since.
And we took a break on this little chair. After taking a break on the chair, we are gonna keep going up to Leopard Rock. This is the Wong Tai Rock. I'm gonna try and fly my drone here. 而呢個皇帝岩石咧，其實係有一個皇帝岩嘅遺址碑記，就係咁樣嘅。人生自古誰無死，留取丹心照汗青。惶恐灘頭雪惶恐， 伶仃養女坦伶仃. So we're now going to go down the same way that we came up, go back to the car park first, and then there's another hill nearby called Tung Shan, which we also want to see today if there are no dogs inside. And since it's just the same route that we came up, I'm not going to film the way that we go back down. Just notice this beautiful rock. And we're gonna follow the sign to Lung Kwu Tan Chinese White Dragon Lookout. We went up these stairs, but then we heard dogs barking, so we went down immediately. So we wanted to go to that Tung Shan, but as soon as we got up the stairs, there was dogs barking like near the stairs again, so we didn't go up in the end. And we saw a dog's bone actually by the start of the trail, so I kind of guessed there was going to be dogs. So we decided to turn back and finish the hike here. Lung Kwu Tan, formerly known as Huashanlu, and it changed its name to Lung Kwu Tan because nearby there's actually a Lung Kwu Chao, and because the island is actually just opposite this Lung Kwu Tan, that's why they changed the name from Huashanlu to Lung Kwu Tan. It's located in the west of Tuen Mun. Due to the poor environment near Lung Kwu Beach and the poor water quality due to being covered in garbage, this sea is not suitable for swimming. And that's all the time I've got left to tell you about this Lung Kwu Tan. Hope you enjoyed listening. And this is the spot to put the parking fee. It is now 3 o'clock and we are gonna drive back to the city center. To be honest, it's not all bad that there were so many dogs today, because today I have a class at 6:30 p.m. and I didn't know if I was able to make it or not, because usually when I hike over time. But because there were so many dogs today, we weren't able to go to the original trail that we did, and we also weren't able to go to one of the hills because, again, there are dogs. So this video just shows how scared we are of the dogs, but I'm glad we got the car today because we can just drive back to the city center, otherwise it will be like a 2 hours ride. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you all with another hiking vlog. Bye! P.S. Tung Shan, the one we didn't manage to go to, the 72-meter one, is actually not on our list, so there was nothing to lose today. P.P.S. I am now in Tommy's home because I have my classes in Kunton, and he is making cup noodles for me for the first time. It's now 4:37. It was so yummy. I finished all the noodles.